Hey my youngsters, today we are going to make a crispy panko fish sandwich, which I'm gonna use cod. So let's get into it. So we're gonna use a cup of plain panko, half a cup of flour, 2 eggs. Gonna make an egg wash, just add a little bit of water. About 2 tablespoons of water. Set aside. Vegetable oil, you do not need much. Just about that much. More in nature seasons, I'm just gonna use this and I'm gonna apply it to both sides of the fish. Oh. Oh, that pepper got to me. Okay, so we're just gonna take each piece, which is just the 4 pieces, and we're gonna dip it in the flour, the egg wash, and then the panko. Make sure your grease is nice and hot. You want to just make sure it's covered on all 4 sides of the fish. Fry it till it's golden brown on each side. Okay, so the fish is nice and golden. We're gonna move it to a rack, and then we'll assemble the sandwich. You want to just toast your buns. All right, the buns got a little toasty, but it's all good. I'm gonna add lettuce. Add fish. Add my cheese. A little bit of tartar. Voila, there you have it. Your crispy panko cod sandwich. And now for the taste test. Have a bite. Excuse the lipstick. You can still bite it. The bun is toasty, but it's not burnt. Oh my goodness. Yumsters, you already know, this is a must try. Yum, yum. Thank you so much for watching. See you next video.